Hi friends, check out this beautiful hair idea with braids. Get two sections at the top, one from each side, and then twist them in the middle and clip the top one with a hair clip. Use the remaining hair from each side to make a braid. Braid a few rows and then start adding the hair from the strand in the middle. Add the hair elastic at the end of the braid. And repeat the same on the right side. Use the hair from the top strand in the middle. Combine the braids and tie them with hair elastic. You can also add some hair clip of your choice. That's all. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial.